शबर्या पूजितः सम्यग्रामो दशरथात्मजः पंपातीरे हनुमता संगतो वानरेणः शबर्या पूजितः विसर्ग changes to su there samyak पूजितः सम्यक because of sandhi samyak the k changes to g because of sandhi ramah becomes ramo because of sandhi dasharatha atmajah dasharathatmajah is a compound word the dasharatha has mahapranah pampatire is a compound word hanumata sangatah becomes sangato because of sandhi vanarena ha शबर्या पूजितः सम्यग्रामो दशरथात्मजः पंपातीरे हनुमता संगतो वानरेणः हनुमद्वचनाच्चैव सुग्रीवेण समागतः सुग्रीवाय च तत्सर्वं शंसद्रामो महाबलः Hanumat, tu changes to d because of sandhi. Vachanat, Hanumad Vachanat is a compound word. The t changes to ch because of sandhi. Ch. Hanumad Vachanat ch because of sandhi. Eva, chaiva because of sandhi. Sugrivena is a compound word. Samagatah. Sugrivaya is a compound word. Ch. Tat. Sarvam. Shamsat. Tu changes to d because of sandhi. Ramaha. Shamsadramah because of sandhi. Ramaha becomes Ramo because of sandhi. Mahabalaha is a compound word. Hanumadvachanachaiva sugrivena samagataha sugrivaya cha tatsarvam shamsadramo mahabalaha aditastad सीतायाश्च विशेषतः सुग्रीवश्चापि तत्सर्वं श्रुत्वा रामस्य वानरः आदितः विसर्ग changes to su there tat aditastat because of sandhi tat the tu changes to d because of sandhi yatha tha mahapranah tadyatha because of sandhi aditastadyatha because of sandhi Vrittam Sitayaha Visarga changes to shu there cha Sitayascha because of sandhi Visheshataha Sugrivaha Visarga changes to shu there cha Sugrivascha because of sandhi Api Chapi because of sandhi so becomes Sugrivaschapi Tat Sarvam Shrutva Ramasya Vanaraha आदितस्तद्यथा वृत्तं सीतायाश्च विशेषतः सुग्रीवश्चापि तत्सर्वं श्रुत्वा रामस्य वानरः चकार सख्यं रामेण प्रीतश्चैवाग्निसाक्षिकं ततो वानरराजेन वैरानुकथनं प्रति चकार सख्यम महाप्रणः रामेण प्रीतः विसर्ग changes to shu there च प्रीतश्च because of sandhi eva chaiva because of sandhi so it becomes प्रीतश्चैव agnisakshikam is a compound word chaivagnisakshikam because of sandhi tatah becomes tato because of sandhi Vanara Rajena is a compound word. Vaira Anukathanam. Vairanukathanam is a compound word. Thas Mahapranah Prati. Chakara Sakhyam Ramena Pritaschaivaagnisakshikam Tato Vanara Rajena Vairanukathanam Prati. रामाया वेदितं सर्वं प्रणयाद्दुःखितेन च प्रतिज्ञातं च रामेण तदा वालिवधं प्रति रामाय आवेदितं रामायावेदितं because of sandhi sarvam pranayat the t changes to the because of sandhi dukhitena khas mahapranah pranayat dukhitena because of sandhi cha pratignatam cha pratignatam ends in anuswara followed by cha, so it becomes the anuswara changes to nya which is the nasal of the cha varga. Pratignatancha because of sandhi ramena tada valivadham is a compound word dhas mahapranah prati ramaya veditam sarvam pranayad dukhitena cha pratignatancha ramena tada valivadham prati वालिनश्च बलं तत्र कथयामास वानरः सुग्रीवः शङ्कितश्चासीन्नित्यं वीर्येण राघवे वालिनः visarga changes to shu there cha valinascha because of sandhi balam tatra balam ends in anuswara followed by ta, so it becomes balan tatra anuswara changes to n. Kathayamasa thas mahapranah vanarah sugreevah visarga changes to shu there shankitah sugreevah shankitah because of sandhi visarga changes to shu there cha shankitascha because of sandhi asit chasit because of sandhi the t in the end changes to n because of sandhi nityam asin nityam. So the phrase becomes Shankitaschaseen nityam because of sandhi. Viryena raghave ghas mahapranah. Valinascha balan tatra kathayamasa vanaraha Sugrivash shankitaschaseen nityam viryena raghave.